channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to build a outreach tool using the Google Scripts. So as you can see the interface, here are few things mentioned in the columns like name, website, email ID, niche, what is the status, and last connected. In another tab, you can see there are two columns, subject and body, in which you can see the subject line mentioned, hey, name, are you open for collaboration, and so on. The body part mentioned here, you can customize it accordingly as per your need or your outreach template. It's just a sample. So in this tool, it is customized using the app script. Here are the functions that are used to build this tool, which is handling all the backend behind this tool. You just have to simply run with your Google ID and it will save all the settings so you can use it in your sheet. So just like simply add any random website details. We have rank extension just for sample. Just simply go to any write for us page of any website that you want to outreach. Here you just need to simply find email ID. Here just simply copy that, paste in email section, remove extra spaces. What is the website name? You can find it here, rankxdigital.com. What is the person name? It's mentioned here. And a niche, you can put simply put SEO or digital marketing. So as you can see here, it's mentioned outreach tool, which is not available in generic Google Sheets. It's also crafted by the scripting. You can just simply preview the outreach template here. Remember, there was a name section which is personalization, and it simply pick the name from the name column and so on, SEO niche and domain name as well. So the preview was okay. Just go to send outreach email and it will ask you to send all the pending prospects. Just say yes and it will start sending the emails, and it will give you a pop-up notification. Uh, just for your heads up, you can send 10 to 20 emails in a day if you have a Gmail type of email IDs. If you have a dedicated domain based email ID, you can simply send 50 plus emails in a day. Here, you just simply refresh in a center and yes, as you can see here, it's a 0 minutes ago. So, email ID is this. Thank you for the thing with me and have a great day.